Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a village name in Google Maps. This is especially useful if your village or community isn't showing up on the map yet, and you want to help improve the accuracy of Google Maps for everyone in your area. First, open your web browser and head over to google.com/maps. Once the page loads, you'll see the familiar Google Maps interface with the search bar at the top. This is where we'll begin our process. Now, in the search bar, type in the name of your village and hit enter. Even if your village doesn't appear in the results, go ahead and navigate to the general area where your village is located. You can zoom in and pan around the map to find the exact spot. This step is important because Google needs to know precisely where you're talking about when you submit your feedback. Once you've located your village on the map, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a button that says Send Product Feedback. Click on it. This button is your gateway to communicating directly with Google about issues or suggestions for improving their Maps service. A new window will pop up with several options. From these options, click on your opinions about Maps. This section is specifically designed for users who want to share ideas or point out missing information rather than report technical bugs. Next, you'll see another set of choices. Click on Suggest an Idea. This is the perfect category for adding missing place names like your village. Google actively reviews these suggestions to keep their maps comprehensive and up to date. Now you'll see a text box where you can input your concern. Here, type in the village name that you want to add and provide any additional context that might be helpful. For example, you might mention nearby landmarks or explain that this is an established community that's currently missing from the map. Be clear and specific to help Google's team understand your request better. After you've written your message, look for the button that says Capture Screenshot and click on it. A prompt will appear asking for permission. Click Allow. This is crucial because the screenshot will show Google exactly where on the map you're referring to, making it much easier for them to process your suggestion accurately. Before you submit, make sure to check the checkbox that says we may email you for more information or updates. This way, Google can reach out if they need clarification or want to inform you when your suggestion has been reviewed or implemented. Finally, click Send to submit your feedback. Your suggestion is now on its way to Google's Maps team, who will review it and potentially add your village name to the map in a future update. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.